Did you know there's more to just sending and receiving payments on your GCash app? Stick around as we show you how to make the most of your e-wallet. Welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Marz, and in this video we have some hacks to show you how to become a GCash Pro user. Hack number 1. Link your BPI or Union Bank account to avoid paying for transfer fees. Starting November 1, GCash and other e-wallet platforms will be charging a fee for bank transfers. With GCash, it's 15 pesos per transaction, which can be a big deal if you're particular with your cash. With your BPI or Union Bank account linked to your GCash, you can avoid the transfer fees. Linking is easy by simply choosing Cash In and selecting Manage. This will then show you a list of accounts you can link to your GCash. Aside from the waived transaction fees, linking either of these bank accounts also increase your GCash wallet limit to 500,000 pesos. Hack number 2. Link your PayPal or Payoneer account for easy management of foreign transactions. If you deal with clients paying in foreign currencies, remitting your payments is now easier. Linking your PayPal or Payoneer account lets you easily retrieve your money without the hassle of going to the bank. Hack number 3. Start your own digital savings account. With GSave, you can easily open a savings account that's linked to CIMB. GSave is a digital savings account that earns interest over time. Having a digital savings account means you can deposit or withdraw your money anytime without having to worry about a maintaining balance. Another great feature is the scheduled auto deposit. This saves you the trouble of manually depositing money into your savings account. Hack number 4. Invest in new ETFs via Atram. GCash offers you the ability to grow your money by investing in new ETFs from Atram. Currently, GCash offers Atram's Money Market Fund, where you can start investing for as low as 50 pesos, and you can see your money grow in the long term. Money Market is considered a low-risk investment, making it ideal for anyone who wants to get started. Number 5. Link your Lazada or Google Play account for ease of transaction. Paying for in-app purchases or shopping on Lazada is a rabbit hole that's hard to get out of. Always tempting, I know. It also saves you the hassle of having to input your credit card's CVV every time you intend to make a purchase. Hack number 6. Rank up on your Gscore to gain access to G-Credit. The more you use your GCash to pay for your bills or other transactions, the higher your G-Score gets. Once you reach a certain threshold, you get to unlock G-Credit. This is the app's loan service where you can borrow a maximum of 10,000 pesos with a 5% interest for starter accounts. Number 7. Collect payments using KKB. Kanya-kanyang bayad or KKB is a uniquely Filipino way to split the bill. With this feature, you can assign and collect payments from your friends. This feature is particularly handy for group expenses. Say for example, everybody wants to chip in to buy a birthday cake or a birthday gift. And the best part is there's a nudge feature which you can use to remind people to pay their share. And finally, hack number 8. Shop for e-vouchers. GCash's buy load feature is not exclusive to Globe prepaid load. You'd be surprised to find out what else you can buy there. If you scroll to the right of the menu, you will find an extensive list of vouchers you can buy, such as the NBA League Pass, Google Play credits, iTunes, and Steam credit vouchers, to name a few. Now with all those hacks, I'm sure you're going to use your GCash more often. Are there any hacks we missed on this video? Let us know in the comment section below. But if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And that about wraps up this video. Once again, my name is Marz, and I'll see you once again on this channel.